Hey, Paleo Nick here. Right now I'm going to show you the next step in our adventure towards tuna our second way. It's going to be a caper vinaigrette, so stick around for this dazzling dressing. Alright, so this one's simple. I got my Vitamix out here. Check it out. I have an affiliate program with those guys. If you're looking to buy one, check today's post and enter my little code, give me a little love, alright? You just promise? You got that? Alright, so let's get in there. I've got a little bit of capers here and the juice that they came in. I'm gonna dump that in. And then I will chop up this shallot here quickly. I'm just gonna rough chop it because the Vitamix is gonna do the rest. Just run the knife through it, about like that. That in there. Same with the parsley. Go about that much. And then our red wine vinegar. The lid on. We'll blend that up. And then we'll drizzle our olive oil on the top. Extra virgin olive oil. Just about right. A little black pepper. Capers provide plenty of salt, so we won't need any of that. Some fresh ground black in there. There you have it. Lid off, looks just like that. Okay, so a little Nick tip here. I got a squirt bottle. I like to use these for serving. So get most of that in there for now. And then I have a piece of plastic wrap that I will build a little gasket right here around the top. Because a lot of times when you get oil, watery stuff, they'll start to leak out. Now you gotta make sure to wrap this in the same direction that you're gonna spin your lid on. You see that, the top? So there you go, we got our gasket on there. You can rest assured that you can use this time and time again. It's not gonna be seeping out and leaking all down the side, making a little ring on your nice cutting board or in your fridge or on your, you know what I'm saying? You guys following? So you can use this to decorate plates, dressing salads, goes with meat, eggs, you name it. Stuff is the bomb. So once again, add this to your culinary quiver, keep it in your fridge, healthy, paleo, super simple. All right, so we've got our olive tapenade. You saw that in our previous post. This is our caper vinaigrette, and we're ready to get radical on tuna our second way. I'm Paleo Nick, thanks for watching, and don't forget to keep it paleo.